Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 32. How to listen to a complaint from a guest. Listen and empathize. Demonstrate genuine interest in the guest's complaint and empathize with their concerns, showing understanding and compassion. Convey appropriate body language. Use appropriate body language, such as nodding and attentive posture, to convey your attentiveness and receptiveness to the guest's feedback. Maintain constant eye contact. Maintain consistent eye contact with the guest to demonstrate respect and undivided attention during the interaction. Practice active listening. Engage in active listening by giving the guest your full focus, refraining from interrupting, and acknowledging their statements. Notify duty manager. Inform the duty manager about the guest's comments and the nature of the complaint to ensure timely resolution and appropriate follow-up actions. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.